A football match. What would be your message for the?
No, I think first of all I would like to thank the entire TTDCA organizers, the government, my friend Maharajaji for inviting me here. Very excited. I think this is the first time the league has happened, and hopefully I think it's the beginning. And it's good to be here. It's so nice to see so many fans, football lovers turning out to watch the final. So very happy, and hopefully this is the start of football in Tripura, and I hope it will get bigger and bigger.
So perhaps this is for the first time we can see that the TTIDC administration is encouraging the youth for the sports. So how do you react on it?
I think it's very important that we focus on sports, especially for the youth, because not just Tripura but entire Northeast, we need our youth to get into sports. We need our youth to channelize into right energy. I think we have a lot of challenges in Northeast with drugs, with a lot of other anti-social things which is happening. And hopefully I think this TTDAC is going to set an example in Tripura, and that the rest of the states in the Northeast would copy. So I think it's a great initiative. And I would like to congratulate the organizers and the government.